As a manufacturer, choosing only one distribution channel can limit the scope of your business and even lower profitability, which is why manufacturers are choosing to go online and sell directly to their customers. Selling online directly could put you a step ahead of your competition, reach new customers, increase profits, and build customer trust. But setting up an e-commerce enabled website can be both challenging and costly. It requires heavy investment in both infrastructure and manpower, which cannot be afforded by every manufacturer. Which is why we at Now Floats have developed Boost360, an app trusted by more than 50,000 Indian businesses. The app allows you to quickly create an e-commerce enabled website with a product catalog and already has an inbuilt payment gateway and marketing tools to grow your business. You can literally set up your e-commerce store within minutes, and that too for an affordable price. Here are the 8 easy steps to start selling your products online. Number 1. Fill up the form to create your account. Visit getboost360.com/manufacturing. Click on Get Started and fill up the form to create your Boost360 business account. Number 2. Download the app. Visit the App Store, search for Boost360 and download the app. Log in with the details sent via email to your registered email ID. Number 3. Complete your business profile. Our easy setup process helps you to create a complete business profile, which will be used by the customers to know your contact information, business hours, and every other important detail. Number 4. Set up your product catalog. Once you have set up the business details, start adding products to the catalog so your customers can see all the details and prices of your products easily. Number 5. Highlight past projects and your team. You can even highlight your previous projects and the team you worked with to tell potential customers about your reliability, skills, expertise, and build trust. Number 6. Use digital marketing platforms to find customers. You can use popular digital marketing platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Google My Business, Google AdWords to find new customers and bring them to your online store. Number 7. Share social media updates to promote shop. It is important to keep in regular touch with your customers, and for that, we have the Instant Updates feature that allows you to share discounts, offers, deals, and other information with your customers on your social media pages. Number 8. Make sales online and collect money. Once more and more customers start visiting your website regularly, your sales will also go up. We recommend running regular campaigns to keep the traffic of new customers coming to your store. All these features and many more will help you connect directly with customers, earn revenue, and establish a solid online presence. So, what are you waiting for? Whatever your manufacturing business size, Boost360 can help your business go online within minutes. Start your 15-day free trial for our premium plan now.